Since 10 days, 10 to 12 days, you may have seen a video getting viral, where in that video, Vinod Kambli is being seen sitting on the stage, and Sachin Tendulkar is there. And Vinod Kambli is, you can feel it, like you can see that he is not into a stable state, physically also and mentally also. Vinod Kambli looks kind of old, maybe 50, 60 years old. And on the same platform, Sanjay Bangar is there, Sachin Tendulkar is there, and all other dignitaries are there. They are from the Mumbai Cricket Association. And now what has happened is there has been trained. There are so many videos out there on YouTube where everyone is criticizing Vinod Kambli for his behavior. Even my staff told me that there are many people who are keeping that video as a status, where Vinod Kambli is being seen as fragile, emotionally and physically disturbed, not able to understand, not able to say what. Now, and there are many people I have seen, they're talking about why Vinod Kambli is wrong, and what wrong he has done, and how we should learn a lesson from him. But guys, do you know that I have seen many people, around me also, who are talking about Vinod Kambli, but their own life is a mess. I have seen that. Their own life is a mess, and they're speaking about Vinod Kambli. And I can understand if a person like Sachin Tendulkar or Virat Kohli is speaking about Vinod Kambli, I can understand, because they themselves are disciplined. But I have seen many people who themselves are not disciplined, who have their own personal problems, and they are talking about Vinod Kambli. He should not do like this and that. Guys, cricket, especially Indian cricket, is a place where few heroes are there, whom you know, but many failures are there, whom you don't know. Hundreds of failures are there in Indian cricket. Those who wanted to go into Indian cricket, those who made for 1 or 2 matches or 3, it's like Bollywood, and they are nowhere now. They have disappeared. There are many cricketers. We don't talk about them. One of them is Vinod Kambli. Yes, he was doing good, he performed well. And even I want to ask this, my YouTubers also, those who are watching my video. And is it right to criticize this person at this stage? He himself is not able to understand what's happening around him. He himself is not in that emotional state, mental state, and people criticize him. As I said before that, there are maybe 10, 15, 20 Indian cricketers you know, and there are hundreds who are living in poverty, like Vinod Kambli, whom you don't know, who also dreamt to be Sachin Tendulkar, Kapil Dev, but they are nowhere now. And you don't know, most of us don't know about this. It is true that people only respect successful people. People salute the rising sun. I understand that. But then I realized that this is wrong. Only successful people like Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli, they are praised, they are autographed. But people like Vinod Kambli, they need more compassion and empathy from we the followers, we the cricket fans. I want to say that he doesn't need sympathy, he needs compassion now, Vinod Kambli. Now there is a difference between sympathy and compassion. Sympathy means, oh, so poor, Or there are some people who criticize him. I have seen some comments also there. Some comments were like, you got the punishment, you deserve it. Or some comments were there like, learn a lesson from him. Don't be like him. But there was not a single comment who said that we should all help him, because we are cricket fans. I don't know what BCCI is doing. No one is there to help. Maybe I feel like only Kapil Dev's video was there, I have seen, who wanted to help him. Other than that, no fan. No one is talking about helping him, showing the compassion that he needs. Guys, understand, people fail in life. People fail in life. They don't need your advice. They need your good words, supportive words. And if you can help him, compassion means what? Actually helping that person. Something can be done. That person doesn't need any dose of motivational talk when he has failed in life. A person like Vinod Kambli has done his mistakes, learned his lessons, but now could not change also because he's helpless now. He's himself helpless. Even if he had been to rehab center many times, but he couldn't change. But at that time, I feel like instead of criticizing him or kind of mocking him or showing just sympathy, we should help him. At least we should write that we should help him. How we can help him? Maybe like, email BCCI. We all can email BCCI. But he has played for the country. Then what BCCI is doing for him? Something must be done for him. Not only for Vinod Kambli, I feel. Truly, I believe that there are so many cricketers. Like Ajinkya Rahane is there. He's struggling now. One day he was a vice captain of Indian team. Today he's struggling. So many are there. I mean, the list is endless. I remember Prithvi Shaw is there, right? Everyone is talking about him now. I have seen many comments. It was written that Prithvi Shaw should learn something from Vinod Kambli. These people do not, they did a mistake. I agree with this. But these people need compassion. And I think that we as fans, we should help them. How we can help them? At least we can email BCCI. Through my YouTube channel, I am doing this. I'm going to email BCCI. Those who are stars, superstars, like Virat Kohli and all, they have been given huge contracts. IPL, 24 lakh, crores. And these people are living rags life, like poverty, stark poverty they are living in. Who is going to take care of them? No one is there to take care of them. No one thinks about them. They also dreamt to be one day Sachin Tendulkar, but it did not happen. And how many Sachin Tendulkars are there in India? Hardly few, maybe 2, 3. And what happened to those hundreds of, thousands of cricketers who dreamt to be like Sachin Tendulkar? Where are those? Nowhere. They are nowhere. Guys, this is what I wanted to tell you. In your life also, suppose your friend is addicted, for example. I'm just giving an example. We go and tell everyone, look at him. Look at him. Look how he is spoiled. You don't be like him. We are eager, we will jump on to criticize that person. Yes or no, guys? We jump on. There are many people like Vinod Kambli around us. I know many people around me who have lost because of addictions or because of various reasons. But I think this is not the time to give a moral lessons to anyone. Moral policing is not required there. What they need is mere compassion. Okay, if you can't help the person, at least don't criticize him. At least don't pull him down. At least don't use him as an example, as a warning for others. At least don't do that. I'm just talking about Vinod Kambli as an example. But in our real life also, we should follow this. And I'm telling my YouTube viewers also that you should email BCCI that there are so many successful cricketers. BCCI is there because of cricketers. Because of those cricketers who have taken such a big risk. All of you understand? Taking cricket as a career. What are the chances of success? 0.0%. That's the reason why everyone is going to IT. Such people have played this gamble. It's a gamble to go into cricket. You don't know what happens, and most of them failed. or some injury is there. There are many people who were injured, they never came back. And these people have made BCCI world's richest cricketing body. I think BCCI should do something for such cricketers who don't have, and especially when they cross 40, 45. When the prime age is gone, no one is taking care of them. And we common people, we fans, I have seen in that video, everyone was running behind Sachin Tendulkar to take selfies with him. But there was no one who went to Vinod Kambli. At least someone should have gone there and taken a selfie with him. He would have felt better, no? At least he deserves one selfie with someone. No one was there. He was isolated. Yes, he spoiled his life. We understand that. But I think he also have achieved something in life. But people don't understand that. People don't see that. People see only Sachin Tendulkar's. In fact, I'm a fan of Sachin Tendulkar. I'm also a fan of Sachin Tendulkar. I told you last time, I read his book also. But at this stage, people like Vinod Kambli, they may be from cricket, they may be from everyday life. They need compassion. They need empathy. Only then people will change. Only then there is any value for connection. Otherwise, people will be only thinking only one thing. He is successful, he is my ideal. Only one criteria is there. Are you successful? That's all. And if anyone is not successful, he is failed because of various reasons. He has been looked down upon. He is not at all given any attention. He is neglected. That's not going to help the society. Because guys, understand, overall, only 1% people will be successful in life. Like Sachin Tendulkar, not even 1%. What about the 99% people like you and me? So we will be living a miserable life, thinking that, yeah, I'm not successful, so I'm a failure. Guys, this is what I wanted to tell you about this. What do you think?